Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an Uber promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my Uber ride, completely free. If you're looking for Uber promo codes, Uber discount codes, or how to save money on Uber, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps. How to get an Uber promo code. The process is very simple and only takes a minute. First, grab your smartphone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the steps are exactly the same. Open your browser and go to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Uber. Tap on the Uber result, then scroll down to view the available Uber promo codes. Next, click the Show Coupon button to reveal your promo code. Please note that these Uber promo codes are limited and exclusive, which means you'll need to unlock your personal code so it doesn't get used by someone else before you. For a step-by-step breakdown and direct access, check out the pinned comment below, where I explain exactly how and where to claim your Uber promo code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.